Hi guys, so this is super messy and it could be way better organised, but it's something that I've just tried out for the last few weeks. So what I do is I write down every single thing that my 6-year-old and 8-year-old have to do in the week. So this is just an example. This is my 8-year-old's. So this is everything I expect him to get done in the week. And then on a Monday morning, I show him, he picks what he wants to do on a Monday. And then we tend to go through the rest of the week or even just like the next day or something and map out what we're going to have to do each day. We include like clubs that he does. He also does £2 tuition hub, which is like Zoom classes. And so we just figure it like the week all out. So basically, I'll get my focus back. So today, Monday, is so like, I'm hoping to get a better system. But Monday, he's done numbots for maths. He's finished reading Winn-Dixie now. So he's done 2 of the worksheets. There's 6 worksheets that I've printed out for him this week. So he's done 2 of them today, and he's also done Draw Right Now, which I've shown before, which is where they do a drawing tutorial and then they do copy work. So he's been doing the copy work in this like little book. So he's done that today. So he hasn't done a load, but we're all really poorly again this week. So I've just kind of let him ease into it. If it doesn't all get done this week, this is all just an aim. I will preface by saying this is like goals. It doesn't mean it always happens. Now, on Wednesday, we're meant to be going to Monkey World, but as I said, we've all been poorly. Don't know whether that's actually going to happen. If it does and it's a busy day, he might not get anything done on Wednesday. And so I've kind of put the things that are at my the bottom of my list for him to get done on Wednesday. So if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Obviously, if we're home all day because people are still poorly, then if he's feeling well, we'll do more. But if not, we won't. And so I just thought this would be helpful. Like if you're thinking about home editing and like what my 8-year-old, it doesn't mean this is what you have to do or what should be expected at all, but this is just what my 8-year-old gets done. And he does, like, being realistic, he's probably been with me now for like 40 minutes, if that. And this is obviously a slow day, but I'm saying like if we did history or something in the week, his whole work for the day would be 2 hours, if that, maybe an hour and a half. So I just wanted to let you know that's kind of like what he gets done. So like tomorrow he will do his kit and math, which is like a workbook. He's got an art Zoom. He'll do 1 math 4. He'll do his 2 Winn-Dixie worksheets, and he'll do handwriting, which is something that he's doing with his tutor. And that will be his work for the day tomorrow. Because it's an at-home day tomorrow, we might also do history in the afternoon, but we'll just see. And then like Wednesday, obviously I explained. Thursday is the day that I take my youngest to gymnastics. So there'll be a number of things that I will expect him to do by himself, like his maths he'll probably do by himself, the worksheets, and maybe his punctuation, spelling and grammar book he can do by himself, and then all like his handwriting. And so in the 2 hours I'm out, obviously he's at home with my husband, but I will expect him to get a lot of work done. And then the kit and math is really the only thing that he needs help with, so we'll do that together. And then he has Pokemon Club in the evening. Friday he has his tutor, and she's working on handwriting with him, and then 2 punctuation, which is why I've not listed handwriting here or Draw Right Now, because obviously that's handwriting heavy as well. 2 of the punctuation sheets, if he hasn't finished them, 2 maths 4s, night zookeeper, he can do that anytime during the day, it'd probably even be in the evening. And he has animal craft Zoom as well. So I hope this is like helpful to kind of have like an idea of what like my 8-year-old gets up to. It doesn't mean this is anything, like it's what's important to you. Handwriting is really important for us this year, and like writing and reading. So that's kind of what a lot of this is like on that, more than his maths, because his maths is great. He's a grade above what he should be. But I hope that is like helpful for you.